All right, let's take a look at the Hertz selection here. When you arrive, President Circle 5-star Gold, they're all to the left. We've got the Ultimate Series straight ahead, premium upgrades to the left, and if you, I'm not sure where the board is, well actually the board's over here. There's the different row numbers if you're on the board. So here's the Ultimate Series. If you're a Gold member, your reservation will be on the board. And Ultimate Series, we've got a Porsche, Mercedes, AMG, Tesla Model 3, Hendrix Camaro, SS. There's the Gold members booth. And we've got a Porsche convertible, BMW convertible, looks like a 2 Series. And we've got another Porsche. Let's have a look here. And we've got a 718 Cayman. BMW is the 230i. And this looks like a 718 Boxster convertible. On the other side of the Ultimate Series, these are all premium upgrades over here. Everything pretty much from here down to the left. So they've got that AMG Mercedes, they've got an large Infiniti SUV, another Infiniti SUV, Nissan Pathfinder, another Infiniti SUV. Somebody's taken that one there. Got a small Infiniti SUV. 5 stars down here, we'll get there in a minute. These are more premium upgrades. We've got a new Genesis, Tesla Model 3, a couple of those here. And a Mercedes, this might be a GLC 300. Let's take a quick look here. So it's just pulling quicker. Yeah, GLC 300. Model 3. Actually, let's take a look at this Infiniti QX50. And we've got a BMW 320 series. Not sure why it's got a dealer name on the back. Another Infiniti Q50 with no key. It's an Infiniti and another Infiniti with no key. Okay, so if we go over to President Circle, we've got one of these older Infiniti SUVs. An older Chevy Malibu. They stopped making these a while ago. I think they stopped making them in 2020. February 2020, maybe. It's a V6, not a Premier. V6 LT. What do we got over here? Okay, we got a smaller Ford SUV. These are, okay, it's an E-Boost. Ford Escape. Oh, this is, okay, so that's the older Ford Escape. Nissan Maxima SV. Straight ahead looks like maybe an older Nissan Pathfinder, Jeep Compass. Got another Jeep Compass here. When the wipers are up, it usually means there's something wrong with it. A Toyota RAV4. We've got a Nissan. Let's take a look at this. Actually, it's an interesting. I think these both might be Nissan Rogues. But the new one on the left and an older one on the right. Let's take a look, just double check. Yeah, so we got a Rogue SV, and we got a Rogue SL all-wheel drive on the left. So the SL is actually a higher trim, but let's take a look at this new Rogue. It's probably, guessing the mileage is probably pretty low on it. Or maybe not, 20,000, but it's, you can see the newer interior on this. And there's a Subaru pulling in on the other side, beside a Chevy Malibu and a Mazda, like a CX-5 maybe on the other side there. And just so you can see the other, here's the older Rogue. So this one's got about 30,000 miles on it. But the SL trim does have the higher stereo, so it's got the Bose audio in it. And sunroof. Okay, we've got 5-star over here at Hertz. I'm not sure why this Ultima's parked. Oh, I guess these are all parked backwards. Okay, we've got a Nissan Rogue. This will make it easier for me because I can see all the car names. Honda CR-V, Chevy Equinox, and this is 5-star. GMC Terrain. Got a Chevy Equinox all-wheel drive LT. Another Mazda CX-5. Another Nissan Rogue. Chevy Trax. Compact 4-door sedan. Nissan Rogue. Nissan Rogue. This actually looks like the new Rogue. Again, here, actually, you can see the old one and the new one side by side. The new one is actually, at least the Rogue Sport is a fair bit lower. Let's just take a quick peek inside. I'm not sure if that, I don't think that other one was a Sport. Yeah, it's got the old interior in it. Buick Encore, Chevy Malibu LT. These Nissan Rogue Sports, Chevy Equinox, another Nissan Rogue, 2 of them here. And we'll just go over the other side. This should be gold on the other side here. It's, I'll just kind of quickly go up and down. So gold is on both sides here, so there's a lot of cars. So we got a Mitsubishi Outlander, Nissan Altima, another Rogue Sport. Rogue Sport, they must have got a bunch of these in. Yeah, there's another one. Is it Jeep Compass? Oh, sorry, Renegade. Yeah, Jeep Renegade. Looks like Hyundai Elantra. Kia Sorento. Honda CR-V. Nissan Altima. Another Rogue Sport. GMC Terrain. Honda Camry SE. There's no sunroof in that one. This looks like this is actually a higher trim. I don't see this very often. Nissan Altima Platinum. All-wheel drive. I don't know if I've ever seen so it has a sunroof. I don't know if I've ever seen a Platinum Altima in the aisle. It's got about 40,000 miles on it. We got another Rogue Sport. Lots of Rogues. Okay, and then we're coming up into reserve here, so I'm just going to spin around to the other side of gold. Kind of take a quick peek if you want. There's the Santa Fe in reserve. Actually, in the returns, it looks like a Chevy Camaro SS convertible, Mustang convertible. And we got a Ford Edge SEL EcoBoost, Chevy Malibu. Looks like a Nissan Altima SV. Kia Soul, 2 of them here. It's the older Sonata. Nissan Rogue Special Edition. Ford Escape SE. Toyota Camry LE. Mazda CX-5. You got a Jeep Renegade. Hyundai Elantra. And we're just coming to the end here. Chevy Equinox. Got a Ford Escape. Altima SR, and another Nissan Rogue Sport. This is just overflow. Looks like mostly SUVs on the end here. Okay, let's just take a quick look at the Ultimate Series here. Got a couple Infiniti Q50s. BMW, I think that's the next 2. Range Rover. Another BMW. X2, I believe. And down here we got a small compact Infiniti SUV, Porsche. Oh, here's another, again, somebody was asking on the channel about the Escalade. It looks like Hertz has one out here, so they must be starting to roll in beside this Infiniti SUV. Let's just take a quick look around this. It's a 600. Maybe if it's not locked, we can take a quick peek inside. Nope, it's locked. just take a quick peek down here in the reserve. This is where they usually park all those 40 cars. So we got a Challenger with a Hemi in it. We got a van. Again, this is just the reserve. Nissan Frontier. Mustang 4-cylinder convertible pickup truck. GMC Acadia SLT. We got a Mustang GT with a 5-liter V8. We got a Chevy Camaro SS. Again with the V8 convertible. Beside another black Chevy SS hardtop. Another Mustang GT convertible. There's a 4-cylinder EcoBoost Mustang. A Jeep Wrangler, GMC Yukon. In the corner here we have another Hemi Challenger. And over here another Mustang convertible. We got another Chevy SS black. The LT1 V8. We got a 4-cylinder Mustang convertible. Another Hemi Dodge Challenger. Mustang convertible. Another Chevy SS. Mustang convertible. Dodge Caravan. Another 5-liter Mustang GT. Chevy Impala. Another 5-liter Mustang GT hardtop. Tahoe. And we got a Mustang convertible, 2 of them. And finally we have a Nissan Maxima, the SV trim. Again, all of these are in reserve here.